won't believe what lies behind this charming ivy-covered facade here at 32 Nesbitt Drive. Adjacent to North Rosedale, this is one of the city's most coveted pockets. Get ready to be amazed. Stepping inside, we discover a fully turnkey modern renovation where herringbone hardwood floors lead you through expansive rooms filled with natural light, bringing us to the designer white oak kitchen with porcelain counters and custom cabinetry. This home is a haven of tranquility, beauty, and functionality. Entertain with flair and style, creating memorable moments for your guests in the perfect host setting. As the sun sets, retire to the beautiful primary suite with its light-filled walk-in closet and ensuite bath, offering a sanctuary of relaxation. With a private stone driveway and nestled in a top-ranked school district, this home promises not just a place to live, but a lifestyle to cherish. This luxurious family home epitomizes sophisticated urban living. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own a piece of paradise with this awe-inspiring backyard retreat. This is Christina Pinelli with the Heaps Estrin team, and thank you for touring 32 Nesbitt Drive with me.